I want to create a flyer with just text and background. I can choose a background from here, anyone I want. But before I choose the background, I should be careful because anyone I choose here, it will replace the other one. Whatever I've written there, it will replace the other one. So, but I don't want to choose from here. I will go to this place and ask for image and touch image, and I will come here and choose this background. If I choose that background, I'll delete this text. I'll go to quotes and collect just one. I'll take the first thing I'm seeing there. Say after the first step towards success is taken, when you are blah blah blah, you do all that. So I'll come to text and determine whether I want to increase the size. That is okay. Determine whether I want to change the color. I want to change the color to maybe something like this. Then I okay it. Then I'll determine. I think that is okay for now. I can decide to change the font. And okay it, but I don't like that font, so I'm going to look for another better font and okay it. I don't also like that, so maybe this will be okay. So maybe I just manage that. I'm going to reduce the size if I'm using that font. Just want to make it 3 lines. Yeah, but I don't also like this font, so let me go back to where I was before and choose another font. I think this should be okay. I'll make it bold and reduce it. Then after that, because this is a quote, I can decide to put the quote sign by bringing another text, and this time around what I will just put in the text is the quote. And if I put the quote, I'll okay it. I can decide to change the size and make it big so that it will show more. If it's not moving, remember position. I use position and move it down because it's proving stubborn to move, so I use position to move it down. And before that, I will change the text. To something that looks more better. Alice brush regular. Okay, so then the next thing I'm going to do is supposed to be 2 quotes, so I will just copy this one, and then if it doesn't allow me to move, I'll go back because I tried to move it, it didn't allow me. I'm going to increase the rate at which it's going to move so that it will move very fast, to where I want it to move to. And the last thing I'm going to do is to look at this, and it's not facing the way I it turned it to face. There are many things I can do. I can use rotate. I can use rotate to move it any way I want, but rotate will not give me exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to use 3D rotate. I'm going to use 3D rotate and just move it. I just turn it like this. If I've done that, I will just click OK. Then I can go back to position. Can go back to position and push it closer and push it down if I want, and OK it. Now this is a flyer. I can decide to bring it down. I can decide to leave it there. But once I'm done, I'll save it. I'll say save as image or save as project. Can do save as project first. Flyer 1 and OK it. Then I go back and do save as image. I just use the default and everything there. I save it to gallery.